Today, I'm using the Apprentice version 25278. This is the newest version of Houdini, so when you're watching this video, keep that in mind, because I believe there will be an update coming within the next year or so. I know that there are some things that are being worked on. But what I really want to start diving into is this little panel over here. Because this is, I think, the main source of confusion that people coming from other UIs, they come into this program and then they go here and they see, oh, maybe someone's doing a tutorial and they're working under OBJ, or someone's working under the stage. Notice how things change here when we change these outputs. What I learned when I went to side effects, these guys put 6 programs together into one to create this. Their goal was to have them be seamless, working over top of one another, so they all can work with one another. So that's the reason it seems so overwhelming. Knowing what you do in these different areas is key. And when you're getting started out, if you're building materials within Houdini, that's the OBJ level right there. So if I'm going to be doing modeling in Houdini, you can do a lot of simulation stuff. But then if I want to get into layout, lighting, setting up cameras, and getting into actually rendering, then you have something called Solaris. If you were previously working in the OBJ section, there are steps you have to take for the or the OBJ level objects, okay, to appear on your renders stage in Solaris. Now the confusing thing here is you can add objects into the stage level, but you're not building that object in the stage level. So for people who are doing layout and for people who are doing lighting or bringing objects in to build a scene, but you're not actually doing modeling, it makes more sense to maybe start in the stage area. I'm going to be focusing mainly on what Houdini's doing under the hood, so you have a better idea on which direction to go when you're trying to figure out what you're trying to figure out.